Hey everyone, Sean with MarineMax Palm Beach, and today we're going to be going through this beautiful Aquila 32 Sport. Now, this 32 Sport is equipped with the twin 300 Mercury engines, very fuel efficient, very reliable, and very torquey. Coming towards the boat end, we do have two pop-up cleats back here for any rafts at the sandbar you might need for. We do have a standard dive ladder that swings all the way out just like that, back in, which is a really nice touch right there. Props to Aquila. You have starboard aft cleat, port side aft cleat, and then moving forward, really nice sun lounger, great option. Extend the whole boat towards the back, and then once you're ready with it, you just pop it up back. Forward facing seat right here, hop on board. I want to point out, see how these gates are? Easy access towards the side, but let's say you're running, you got little ones running around, no problem. You move this gate right here, close this area off, and then you can close this aft door. Moving forward, nice lounging seats over here, another one right here, and then great table with a grab handle right here when you want to get up. Moving forward, we have a stateroom right here with a queen bed. And then your electrical panel and everything, C-zone, everything is going to be down there. Got a bolster right here for the passenger. And then on this boat, we do have double helm seating. Great for when you're cruising down intercoastal, have your loved significant other right next to you, enjoying the Palm Beach lifestyle. For this one right here, we have the new Mercury binnacles with the joystick. Great feature to have, especially for new boaters. We have a Raymarine GPS plotter, Mercury, and then the upgraded Fusion stereo. Props to Fusion. Very clear and nice sound right there. All your switches right here, including the Sure shade in the back. Moving forward, we have a nice Kenyan grill right here with a sink. The lid does latch right here. And then for the sink, there is a dedicated slot right there, so that you don't have to try to store it somewhere. It's right there, and you can use it as a cutting board as well. Down here we have a nice fridge and a freezer. Now you notice typically on the Kenyans there's like a little controller right next to it. It's not on this one. It's because it's right down here, right above the trash receptacle. Moving to the starboard side, since we have the stateroom on one end, we do have the wet head on the other side. Really great job by Aquila on this one. Very little 32 feet boats you're gonna see with a one state, one head, full head in that matter. Moving towards the bow, look how spacious this is. Storage everywhere. Right here, you got access to your anchor, and then more storage over here. Now, this boat, you see this little cushion right here? Aquila 32 comes standard with the bow filler cushion. Makes this easily a place that 4 people can come and hang out. This is definitely a great Bahama running boat, family entertaining, or your friends even, you know, you just want to kick it back. And believe it or not, this boat has a 280-gallon tank, 140 on each side, and you get a range of 320 miles cruising at 3,000 RPMs. So don't miss out. Come check this boat out today at your local MarineMax. Thank you.